Dad, there's no school today. Can I come to work with you?
You want to spend your Saturday at the garage?
Yeah, I want to see the race cars up close.
All right, finish your breakfast first, then we'll head out.
Yes, this is gonna be the best Saturday ever. Dad, let's go. I'm so excited for today.
All right, I'm coming. Morning, Lisa.
Not at all.
Morning, Mark.
Cool. Let's go.
It's Saturday morning, and while most kids are playing video games, John is heading somewhere louder, faster, and way cooler.
Dad fixes race cars. Not normal cars. Fast ones.
Fast, yes, but only because they're built and maintained carefully.
Have you ever wondered how turning a tiny key wakes up a giant engine?
Key. Then what?
The battery sends electricity to the starter motor.
Like pressing the power button?
Exactly. The starter spins the engine. Inside are pistons moving up and down. Fuel plus air plus spark equals tiny explosion.
Explosions? That sounds illegal.
That motion spins the crankshaft, which turns the wheels.
The four-stroke engine cycle: intake, compression, power, and exhaust.
The battery supplies electricity. The current flows through the wires to the starter motor, which brings the engine to life.
Pistons pump up and down in sequence, driving the Q-joule to rotate smoothly.
So what happens when I press the gas pedal?
More fuel goes in, bigger controlled explosions, faster spinning.
So I'm feeding the engine energy snacks?
Exactly.
Power from the engine
The
turns
transmission
gears.
controls speed.
The
The axles
sends
carry that
power to
spinning
the
power
axles,
to the wheels.
making the wheels
And brakes?
spin.
Brake pads squeeze the spinning
Brake
discs.
pads
Friction
squeeze the spinning
slows the
rotor.
wheels.
This
Like
creates
this?
friction, which slows
Perfect
the wheel
example.
Look, Dad! Friction!
down. Power from the engine is sent to the transmission. From there, it's carried by the driveshaft to the rear differential. Finally, the axle sends power to the wheels, making them turn.
Race cars need constant care. Change oil, check tire pressure, inspect brakes, clean air filters, listen for strange noises.
So cars need checkups like people?
Exactly. Maintenance prevents breakdowns. Quick pop quiz.
What slows the car down? Fuel?
These racing tires.
This is like pit crew on TV.
Speed matters, but safety matters more.
Are we racing them?
Friendly training run.
Science plus speed equals awesome.
Oh,
That's it. 1, 2, push.
got it!
Coming through. Krupp is holding. Yeah! Taking the lead! Let's get to work, champ.
Today I learned engines explode, brakes squeeze, and axles spin.
I know you will.
And what's the most important thing?
Keep dreaming.
Learning together.
That's right.
If you want more cool science adventures, hit like and subscribe.
Next time, maybe we open up a turbocharger?
Wait, what's that?